MEP BIM is more than modeling. It's about making projects ready to build. A building's performance depends on systems that work together from day one. Mechanical, electrical, plumbing, and fire protection coordination shapes construction quality long before work begins on site. As projects grow in size and complexity, every design update affects multiple disciplines. Without coordinated MEP models, teams spend valuable time resolving conflicts instead of moving construction forward. Virtual Building Studio works as an extension of your team. We deliver coordinated MEP BIM models that help architects, engineers, contractors, and consultants move projects forward with confidence. From BIM modeling and clash detection to coordinated shop drawings, spool drawings, quantity takeoffs, schedules, and construction documentation, our teams support projects across residential, commercial, healthcare, hospitality, industrial facilities, data centers, airports, and mixed-use developments for clients worldwide. With more than 400 BIM professionals, multi-layer quality checks, expertise of 11 years, dedicated project teams, and flexible delivery models, we help firms increase production capacity without increasing hiring pressure. Whether you need support for a single project or a long-term delivery partner, Virtual Building Studio helps your team reduce rework, deliver faster, adhere to BEP, and increase your project margin.